Got him. There we go, guys. See you next time, buckaroo. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Tattooed Angler here, and I'm gonna be back out on the water once again. And once again, I'm gonna be switching up just a little bit. We're gonna go be doing some creek action. We're gonna be hitting the creek, see what we can get into. The water levels in the creek are up due to all the rain and everything else. We're gonna see what we can muster up. Maybe some smallmouth, maybe some hybrid striped bass, maybe some white bass. It's gonna be a crapshoot. But if you like stuff like this, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Boom! And then also don't forget to hit that notification bell to get notifications of your boy. Tattooed Angler. But nonetheless, it's a beautiful day. It's a really windy day too. So we're gonna see if we can get something out of this creek. Alright guys, so today's setup is completely different from what I've been using. I got a 1/8 ounce black and blue spinnerbait on the end of my 8-pound braid that is connected to my 7'2" Bass Pro Shop Carbon Light 2.0 medium light bait casting rod. And the bait casting reel that I'm using is a Cast King Zephyr BFS bait casting reel. And what I'm doing is I'm casting and I'm retrieving. That's pretty much it. Hopefully we can find something that lurks in this creek right now. Got him. There we go, guys. Ooh. Come on, baby. Wants to be a skipjack. Come on, come on. Oh, he's like, I'm gonna take you in the current. Ooh, I don't know, I'm gonna get him up. Oh, it's a hybrid. I really don't know how I'm gonna get him up. I didn't really think this through, but it is what it is. He popped it too. I might have to go around you and go down. Oh, flip. Oh, white paddle tail. He clobbered it too. Oh! I mean, look at that. Down the gullet. Here we go, guys. Oh, we got double up. There it is. I got mine. Midwest has got his. We're gonna go ahead and let mine go though. Sorry, I just swallowed a bug. See you later, little fella. All right, let's see if we can get us another one. Midwest has finally got his up on the bank. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Nice. Nice hybrid. Full flip. Oh yeah. There we go. Let's go, baby. There we go, guys. Nice little creek specimen. Let's go ahead and give him a toss back in the Thunderdome. Whoosh. There he go. All right, let's see if we can get another one. All right, guys, so what I'm doing right here is I'm casting parallel to this wall because both me and Midwest Scarfish noticed that there were fish surfacing up in this corner right here. And with us doing that, I'm casting parallel to the wall and bringing it back because we believe that they're hugged up against the wall. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. Woo! All right, guys, so I got this nice hybrid on. I don't know how I'm gonna get him up, but We're gonna get him up, hopefully. There we go. Woo! He clobbered it. That was a fight. Look at that, guys. Nice creek hybrid. Probably about two and a half, maybe. Say like 2.5, maybe 3. Well, since there's no really good way to release this bad boy, we're gonna give him a chuck. There he goes. All right, let's see if we can get us another one. Just casting along this wall, slowly bringing it back. Midwest has got one. He's got a tree pounder, guys. What's crazy about that is that if you've ever hooked into a piece of wood in the current, it feels like a fish is fighting back. This is sketchy though. Oh, yeah, they're right here, bro. Ooh, there we go, guys. All right. Come on, baby. I think this is another decent one. Come on, baby. Clobbered it. Well, that is definitely a decent hybrid. He's pulling drag. Yes, there he is. I have to come back over here again. Woohoo! Wee doggy, who is muddy? All right, I'm gonna have to sit this down and grab him up. Shimmy up the wall. There we go. Haha. Whoop, get the line off of him real quick. He's all tangled up. There we go. Oh yeah. Awesome. Let's go ahead and give him a chuck. See you next time, buckaroo. All right, let's go ahead and go for like 2 more and then call it. Once again, I got things I gotta do. All right, guys, so unfortunately I am going to have to call it. Reason being is that my GoPro is dying for one, as Midwest Scarfish loses a fish. But not only is my GoPro dying, but I also have to do things before I go to work tomorrow. So this is gonna go ahead and conclude this episode. Another one. Totally didn't know. This is gonna be the last one. Oh, he dig it. And it's on your line too? All right, well, it looks like that me and Midwest are tied up and this fish is dragging us around. Go ahead and start getting your line off. I'm coming over, I have to anyways. He's fighting it. This is wild, guys. Go ahead, he ain't going nowhere. He's just tugging away. This is wild. I got a fish on my line and Midwest's line is tangled up with mine. Luckily, I have him pinned, so Midwest is finagling. All right, there we go. That was wild. There we go. There we go, guys. There he is, guys. That's the one that's gonna do it. I literally made one more cast after I shut you guys off, and I got thumped, so I turned you back on real quick just to see this. Let's go ahead and let this nice hybrid go. There he goes. Now that's gonna conclude the episode. Well guys, I'm home now and today's creek mission was deemed successful. It's crazy when I shut you guys off and then I caught that fish and Midwest Scarfish's line was tangled up in mine. That was pretty wild. That was pretty awesome. Today I caught hybrid striped bass and white bass. Just in case you guys do not know what those are, that's what I caught in the video today. But if you like stuff like this, creek missions, crappie missions, bluegill missions, bass missions, catfish missions, any type of water mission, please hit that thumbs up, boom, and then also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notifications of your boy, Tattooed Angler. And also don't forget to subscribe, if you aren't subscribed already, that is. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go in here and make some dinner and then go to work tomorrow. So I will catch you guys out on the next one. Peace.